Hi everybody, I got a request to do this room Linux System Hardening. I'll go through quickly on it. This is of course how to secure, basically it's an introduction of securing Linux systems, so physical security, file system encryption, remote access, things like that. Now we need to access to the Linux system. They give us the SSH username and password. Let's try. Okay, let me log in. Password and secure pass 1 2 3. Let's see if we are in. We are in. Okay, who am I? Let's put it up so it's in middle screen. I'm TryHackMe. I'm in the home directory. Home TryHackMe. What I have inside, let's see. Secure vaulted image and my vault. Okay, ls minus la. Okay, let's go that. Now the first thing is, one thing to secure the Linux is the GRUB password for the when the Linux system boot. Because now if someone enter your computer or something, remember you can reset the root password of like a Linux. It's the first thing you do when you do a Red Hat Linux exam. You need to reset the root password before you start. So one way to make the you can consider this encrypt password depending on the Linux system you want to protect. Many tools help. Now we are using this tool, the GRUB2 MK passw pkft2, and that's the command basically to use the Linux. So what command can you use to create a password of the Bootloader is of course is this one. You can see it gives you this pbkf2. The question is what this mean. If you go to Wikipedia, in cryptography, the PKF2 is password key derivation function. Is a type of so you can read about it here, guys. So this is number 2 because it's give us there. We can't do test here because it's already live system. We can't play with that things. The next one is file system partition encryption. If you know Linux, I'm using Ubuntu myself now. So like if you go to the key stands for key material locus partition header. This is more for encryption partition. When a partition is encrypted with looks and then bogey, this is like how to encrypt. We're not testing encryption here. Yeah, you can do disk encryption and all of that. So I give you an example here. As you do, let's touch LSBLK. I remember this when I was doing Red Hat exams. LSB should show you the file system. And if I do now, let's not destroy our system, but this is just trying to do encrypting the system. Remember, we'll have a task now. If you want to check the looks setting, you can issue the command crypto setup looks dump dev sb1 and the terminal output. If you can the check looks setting, let's see. I don't think we have it, but let's try crypt setup. That's too much noise. Let's mute the tab. Looks dump dev sdb1. Don't tell me I crashed the system. Wait, I'm not root here, so we can't do that. Okay, let's follow. This is part we can test it, I think. So what looks stand for? Looks stand for looks partition header. looks Linux unified key setup. Oh, I almost get confused. And then we can't attach external storage to the VM, so we have created a home TryHackMe. Okay, this is the image that you have here. So my connection is a bit slow today. So we have that server vault here. It is encrypted with the password. This one, to access it, you need to open it using the crypto setup and then mount it to such as my vault. Okay, let's see. They give us already the example, and let's see. So this command, so crypto setup, then sudo mount it in dev map and my vaults. Okay, let's see. What's going on now with my internet? What the hell? And then I need a password. Hold on a minute. I have an update running here. That's a problem. It's now we enter the password. No, we mount it where else? Dev mappa my vault. What's the question? What is the flag in the secret vault? Okay, let's say that. Yes. What do you mean there's nothing? Where's the flag? No, I'm getting confused. What we did here looks unmounted. I see when you are confused, you're confused. It's in my vault, not in cd my vault. ls TryHackMe is always at night. Is for me. Is always my connection gets wet. Okay, cut task 3 flag. Okay, we got the flag now. Because the mount part was in, we mount it from we mount that to the my vault. That's why the category. Now we have a firewall. Now how big this file is downloading. Yeah. The firewall in Linux, we have the old ones like the traditional one, what they are, the net filter. At the very core, we have a net filter. The NetFilter project provide packet filtering software for Linux kernel, and then the net filter hooks require front-end mostly. This IP table are very famous NF tables. The IP table input output forward is like that, so you can guys read about it. We're not using it now. Then Ubuntu, this F table also is some kind of, it might be look complicated, but if you start using Linux for a long time, it'll be fine. Then Ubuntu came with this. This is like in my computer. This is one more like I think it's this is the uncomplicated firewall. I think they call it or something. Example. Okay, net filter. Then this is not like the front end, easy to understand. It's not difficult. For example, now as you do, you can have like EFW status. We can see what we have here. SUDFW status. Oh, that's what we didn't do before. I think I'm in group SUDO, so you should have the privilege. Ay, 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 ay. Status. My network is too slow, that's the problem. I know what's going on. It's not downloading. You can see what we have. Firewalls have UDP port and then TCP, and we have firewall policy block everything and this is what by default firewall is block everything. So we have this. Is this room free? Yeah, it's only subscriber. Blocking everything with a limited set. Okay, you guys, you can read about it, but let's practice now. In Linux VM, it is allowing port 22 TCP as we can access into the machine. It is allowing another TCP port. You can see TCP allow. So the port is this one, 125. Is this one. And then what is the allowed UDP port? UDP port is 114. Let's continue now. You guys, you can read about this. You don't need to confuse yourself too much with things. It's a lot of practice to understand this, but the easy firewall to play with is this UFW. It's easy to play with, simpler. What is not remote access? Remote access, protecting guest password sniffing. This is the middle and the man in the middle attack or something. Protecting guest password guessing. So you need encryption and all of that. What is this? The figure below shows that the system uses SSH protocol. Also is not an English dictionary, it is common font because of the keyboard. You can see the keyword 1234. This is well known for security of Linux. You need to disable room and use SSH with keys. You connect directly with keys. You don't use username password. The SSH file is there, and then permit login. No, you need to change it to no. Also, password is this. It's difficult to guess as you do the groups. You can create SSH with this. Public authentication, yes. Password authentication, disable password, so you use SSH keys. What is the flag is hidden SSH config? Okay, we're using this is an Ubuntu machine, so it will be in etc SSH config. He said, what's the flag hidden here? Where is it? Where they hide it? If they hide it, should be in the comments. So let's be lazy. Let's look for it. etc SSH, yeah. Oh, I got the wrong one. I forgot the D. Let's be lazy again. Oh, that's the TryHackMe. It's on the top. Yes, I'm a bit tired, guys. Sorry. Then what we have, I did it a while ago this room when it was out, I think. The root account, okay, no, for like in Ubuntu Linux, all of this, you don't play access directly with root, you go in group as you do. So you get root privilege to access certain command like changing password or something, because they need the once you have created an account that may serve purposes to add sudo and wheel is for I think it's for CentOS and Red Hat, sudo for Ubuntu Debian. So sub no login, straightforward way to modify this password and change the root shell to, you see, once you have created an account for missing purposes and added it to the sudo group, you might consider disabling the root account. And straightforward way to modify is to modify etc password. So we can create that, okay, and force strong provide many options for password constraints. So this is password stuff. And then here is a few example options. Diff all way to specify the number of characters in the new password, set the minimum, so you can read about this. Below is an example of etc security. Do we have it here? Let's see. Ah, goodness, why the network today? Security, do we have it? No, we didn't do it. Fine, we can move on to the next stuff. So you have this information now. Disable and use the account. This is when no one account don't need it, just disable it. For Linux, for not login, you just throw this sp no login, because when it was this, it means it's easy to edit the password, the account, and put no login. So we should do the same for local services. So that's why the question is one way to disable an account is to edit passwd, define and change the account shell. You change it to this, you change directly this, so the account can't log in. What is the name of the Red Hat and Fedora system sudo? Remember we talked about it, is this one. sudo is only for Linux. A group for Debian is sudo. Other than TryHackMe and Ubuntu, what is the username that belongs to the sudo group? Cat etc pass the, I think pass wd. Group search. Cat etc. I know I still have internet slowness. I am not. What's going on now? Sorry guys, I'm having problem with my connection today. This tonight, I don't know, I thought to finish these videos, but what's the question? Hey, we still have a couple of questions here. Software and the services, disable necessary services, common sense. Cat etc group. What is the sudo? Damn it, let's be lazy. GRUB sudo. So we have TryHackMe, Ubuntu, and then Blacksmith. Just type it. Blacksmith. Now, software and services, of course, to secure any system, Windows or Linux, disable unnecessary service, block unentered network ports. That's what you always do for CTFs. avoid legacy protocol for like TFT and things. Beside FTPS, what is another secure replacement for TFT and FTP is SFTP. So this is a secure protocol. The next one, what did it say? Update and upgrade policies. Okay, this is Ubuntu. This is a newer release to replace CM. This is Red Hat and CentOS. If you're familiar with Linux, Ubuntu long-term support. This is like my computer using this Ubuntu like for example, if you can check here, -a, you get the kernel and the machine. What we have here, Ubuntu, what the hell, 35, 2004. Okay, Red Hat release, full support for 5 years. Okay, kernel update, of course you update the kernel, automatic update. What command would you use to update an older Red Hat system? Yum update. And then what command will you use to update a modern Fedora? DNF update, I think. Then what two commands are required to update a Debian system? Debian apt update and an apt upgrade. I think so. Otherwise, my computer is in disaster. What does YAM stand for? YAM stand for Yellow Updater Modifier. You can check it now through the wiki. A DNF in the wiki is a DNF or modifier identified YAM. Identified YAM. What flag is hidden source list? A source list is vim etc. I think is apt and then source list. It's an Ubuntu machine, so it should be there. Oh my goodness, that's the flag. It's in the top. They didn't even go put it in the bottom or something. Hide it a little bit. No, the next most log file in Linux system are stored in var log. That's where no one. That's a message authentication secure. What's this ETMP? Is an access log for content information regarding user that currently logged into the system. W and then the kernel and the boot. What command can you use to display the display? So the tail -n15. Is it space minus? You don't need space, but .log. What command can you use to display the lines containing the word deny in the file? So it's a grep command denied in the secure file. So it's straight Linux grep command. Okay, guys, that's my best. I did a couple of them today, so I hope you enjoy it. And then yeah, I'd like to guys and subscribe to help the channel. Thank you very much. Let's see if I get lucky. I already did this. Thank you very much and have a good day.